Warning: service must be performed by a qualified technician familiar with oil heating systems. Service by an unqualified person can result in hazards to that person, others, and/or property. See our safety video for additional information. The Beckett spin-on filter adapter kits easily convert canister-style filters to convenient and efficient spin-on filters. The adapter kits provide a UL-listed multi-fuel solution for use with all legacy fuels, renewable fuel blends up to R100 and B100, using bio-rated gaskets and seals. With this semi-permanent installation, it is unnecessary to disassemble or replumb the oil supply system to change the filter. Some additional features and benefits include the following. This adapter easily converts all canister filters to efficient spin-on filters without replumbing the system. Conversion is completed in just minutes and can easily be done during the annual tune-up. Replace filter canisters by General, Sid Harvey, Fulflo, and Westwood. The 4-prong locking system holds the adapter in place to the original casting, allowing the spin-on filter to be removed without removing the adapter. Low-profile Beckett spin-on filters. F99 allows service room in tight spaces and with a bottom tank valve. It's the only spin-on available that does. The Beckett F99 series filters flow at a rate of 16 gallons per hour, more than a typical residence would require. When installed in conjunction with a Tiger loop, the fuel flow rate is even less, increasing the efficiency of the complete heating system and increasing filter life. 3 conversion kits convert the 3 most popular sizes in the market. When the adapter is attached, it doesn't require any servicing. Just change the filter during the annual tune-up. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to visit our website at www.beckettcorp.com.